Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Revolut. If I open up an internet browser on my PC, you can see that there is an article regarding this transfer of crypto. You can see it is written that Revolut supports trading over 80 plus crypto assets. Depositing crypto aside from an external crypto wallet is also available for a limited number of assets. Therefore, it is important to check if the crypto asset you want to transfer from Binance has the deposit option. Once you are certain of the deposit option, start by copying your deposit address from Revolut. After that, sign into your Binance account and then complete the asset transfer. As mentioned earlier, ensuring that the crypto asset you want to transfer from Binance has a receive option on Revolut is important. Sending crypto assets to the wrong address or crypto network can result in permanent, irrecoverable loss. You can see that they have also provided images so you can follow the steps without any problem. Now, in order to find your deposit address, open your Revolut app. From the home page, navigate to the crypto section and click on Receive. Once done, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive from the available options, then copy the deposit address. Once you've copied the deposit address, it's time to complete the transfer on Binance. Simply go to binance.com on your web browser. From the home page, click Log in to access the account with your email address and password. After that, complete two-factor authentication to confirm login. Once you're in, click on Wallet, then Fiat and Spot from the top right corner of the top navigation bar. Click on Withdraw from your Binance wallet. On the withdrawal page, select the crypto asset you'd like to transfer to Revolut. Paste the deposit address or scan deposit QR code in the address field and select the corresponding network. Specify the amount of crypto asset you'd like to withdraw and ensure you review the transaction. Finally, click on Withdraw and complete two-factor authentication to complete your withdrawal. You can check the withdrawal progress from the transaction history section of your Binance account. Transaction time generally depends on the confirmation time in the destination network. Once the transaction has been finalized on-chain, the asset will reflect in your Revolut crypto wallet. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.